Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. Let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. So if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, let's be honest, if in your case this list is really long, then it is not the most efficient way to actually do it manually. So let's simply tap on clear browsing data, because here we've got some automatic cleaning, I would say. So here we can remove browsing history, cookies, and site data, cached images and files, and also some advanced browsing data like saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So I think I will remove everything. We can also change the time range. We can pick last hour, last 7 days, or even all time. So it's up to you. Just tap on the option and tap on clear data. Let's tap on clear, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.